Hello, in this video I want to show you how to activate auto brightness function in Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro Max. First you need to open this panel on the top and find the auto brightness icon. You can find it in another page, but I have in the first page. Click on it and this function activated. As can we see, it works, but you can hold it and find here another setting for this function if you need, and you can if you want take off this function here and set desired. And this all for today for this function, and goodbye.